What's up, everybody? I seen that there's not a lot of videos that are like detailed on how to do the grill on the M550, 540, any 5 series really. I'm not sure if the other series are the same, but I like how these have these flaps that open, and there's really no way besides, to me, cutting them seems to be the only option. But the easiest way, because I did it the hard way. I did it the hard way earlier. Now I use a knife on that side that I already finished. Gonna get a cover for it for the bar, but so really, what you're gonna do is you're gonna pop the hood. There's gonna be 3 little clips, like you see so, that I put on the new one in. You make sure that they're all the way in. Yeah, they're all the way in. Okay. So there'll be 3 clips. You'll have 3 clips. You're gonna grab a flathead, push those in to where that little lip is not up. You know what I mean? It's underneath the plastic. Simple. Push it, push it. You're gonna push and kind of tug it a little bit at the same time, just so all 3 of these are not over the plastic. You want them underneath this plastic. Once they are, you can put that down. You're gonna wiggle the top a little bit. You're gonna use both hands. It's kind of, I can't really demonstrate that, but you're gonna use 2 hands. You're gonna pull the bottom. As you can see, there's these, an opening right here, opening right there, and an opening right there. That's where the clips go. I'm sorry, they go right here. Boom, boom, and then boom. I don't know, one of them, but yeah, you're gonna pull on the bottom as you wiggle the top. Wiggle the top, pull the bottom. Try to pull it straight out. It'll literally come right off. It's the easiest thing. And then the real issue is these. No one really wants these. I don't really see the point in these. But to get these off, I was using a knife earlier, but I ended up grabbing this, and it literally just snips it easily. And then to get those out, which is some of them I'm gonna just leave in there because they're so small, you really just turn it and it'll come off, but kind of like this, because I cut this one off. It'll literally be in there, and you just slightly turn it, and then you'll feel it loosen up, and you just pull it out. Yep, so cut these, and then there's a little bracket thing right here for the mortar. Here goes that to open and shut these. I'm just taking this off. I'm leaving that on just because I don't want a check engine light. I think I heard it gives you one, so I'm gonna leave that little bar right there. As you can see, this one's, it's hanging somewhere. Yeah, it's in there, but it's just sitting there. I'm not gonna mess with it, so I don't get a check engine light. You ain't gonna notice it anyways. No one's gonna put their head in your grill. Like, oh, I wonder if he cut this. You know what I mean? Like, you're good. But yeah, just chop the bottoms off. As you can see, these kind of just fall out, but I got one more to do. So I'm gonna do that and then put it in. I'll show you guys the look of it. Just give me 1 second. All right, now that that's off, and you can kind of see what I'm talking about. That is what turns and flips the flaps, which is, I'm gonna just take this one off. As you can see right there, it's just, I just used a flathead and then just pried it, because there's a little clip in there that goes straight up. You just get that off, and then this will come off, and this one should be hanging, and then you can put it in the grill. But other than that, that's really about it. So I will get back to you guys when I have both of them in. You can see what it looks like. And then here is the finished product. So when you're taking that last one off, that's right here, you're gonna want to use like a flathead, and I got a really big flathead. You're gonna want to use a flathead, and then you're going to use pliers, just to like because like I said, it's just a clip. It's kind of a pain in the ass to get to and do it at the same time. But yeah, here's the finished product. Doesn't look too bad. It's better than with the silver with the flaps. So yeah, I think it looks way better in my opinion. I'm not a fan of the silver that they got going on. Like down here, I'm gonna have to get that touched up. Jesus. Get that touched up. I'm getting rid of all, I got a carbon fiber mirror caps coming in tomorrow, so those will be on this weekend. New badges coming in, black badges, so she's getting there. So yeah, hopefully that was helpful. Like I said, it's very simple. Like the hardest part, I think, is just cutting the bottom. I would go to your nearest AutoZone and get you these bad boys. You lock them on and just squeeze and you'll be good. Yeah, that looks really good. So hopefully this helps you guys if you guys are trying to get rid of the flaps. So till next time.